Hi friends, look at our pirate treasure. Let's sort the treasure by color. This is the color red. Do you see something red? Here is a red spyglass. We'll add it to the red part of our sorting tray. Do you see any more red treasure? Yes, it's a red coin. One red coin and a red spyglass. Our next color is yellow. Do you see any yellow treasure? Here is a yellow gemstone. Let's add it to the yellow part of our tray. I see yellow coins. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 yellow coins and 1 yellow gemstone. This is the color green. Do you see a green sea creature? Yes, here is a green octopus. Let's add it to the green part of our tray. I see some green coins. Do you? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 green coins and a green octopus. This is the color blue. Do you see something blue? This is a pirate's hat and it's blue. I see blue coins. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue coins and a blue pirate's hat. Our last color is purple. This purple bird is a parrot. Now the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple coins and a purple parrot. Our last cup is empty. Look what appeared here. These are keys. I wonder what they open. Do you see? We have a treasure chest. It has the number 1 with red trim. Its lock is a rectangle. Can you help me find the rectangle key? The key matches. Let's unlock the chest. It's empty. Let's fill it up. Red spyglass and 1 red coin. Here is another chest. It has the number 2 with yellow trim. Its lock is a triangle. Can you help me find the triangle key? It matches. This chest is empty. Let's fill it up. Yellow gemstone. 1, 2 yellow coins. Here is another chest. It has the number 3 and green trim. Its lock is an oval. Can you help me find the oval key? It matches. Empty. Let's fill it up. Green octopus. 1, 2, 3. 3 green coins. Another chest has appeared. It has the number 4 and blue trim. Its lock is a square. Can you help me find the square key? It matches. Let's open it up. It's empty. Let's fill it up. Blue pirate's hat. Oops. In you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue coins. Here is our last chest. It has the number 5 and purple trim. Its lock is a hexagon. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. Can you help me find the hexagon key? It matches. Our chest is empty. Let's fill it up. Purple parrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple coins. Thank you for sorting colors and counting with me. That was fun. Let's do it again.